Welcome to Hebb. Here we are discussing MA Psychology. Questions. Before starting this, I want to share something. We provide all type of question solution in PDF and handwritten. Also, if you need answers of any type of subject or course, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number 900-936-8238. Now question 9. Ayurvedic body types. 10. The 16 personality factors questionnaire. 11. Senior apperception test. 12. Growth needs. 13. Homeostasis. 14. Social deprivation as an environmental determinant for personality development. 15. Extroversion/introversion. 16. Limitations of interview method. 17. Self as given by Rogers. 18. Nomothetic approach to personality. Thanks for watching.